Hey guys, we're the Slimatory Sisters, and today we are coming at you with part 2 of our slime collection. Let's get on with the video. Okay guys, so this is our kinetic sand slime. So all we did with this slime, if you guys are wondering, this slime is actually super simple to make. Like, look at that. It's so pretty. So this slime is super simple to make. All you really need is just an old slime that you don't like and kinetic sand. So we just kind of mixed it together, and it came out like this consistency. Like, it kind of feels like how a cloud slime looks, but it is actually way more grainy. And if you guys watched our previous video, this is our candy cane slime. And we added blue kinetic sand, so it made it purple. Okay guys, so this is the mystery about this slime. This slime does not have a name. So, I need you guys, if you're watching this video right now, pause it, stop it, whatever you have to do. Go down to the comment section and comment a name for this slime. We will pick one winner and announce it in our next video and announce the name of the slime. Okay. So, like I said, this slime has no name, but I'll tell you about the characteristics, that way you guys can pick a name. So, it is a super clear slime. Super clear. It has these thicker beads in it, plus some silver glitter. This slime is super nice, super stretchy, and it has also, sorry to mention, blue glitter. Okay guys, so this is going to sound familiar. This is called Christmas tree slime. Now, this is our updated version of Christmas tree slime. The Christmas tree slime that you guys saw in our previous video, the Christmas collection, something like that. It was our Christmas slime haul or whatever. This is not it. This one has more improved. It has beads. It has marbles. It has glitter. It's green. Super pretty. Because the other one only had glitter in it, but that one kind of got dried out. And we made this one a little bit after. And this one came out amazing. And I mean amazing. It came out super nice. Obviously, as you guys see, it's semi-sticky, but not bad at all. I've had worse. That was a marble. It's so pretty. So if you guys can see, it is a pretty green. It has tons of beads. Oh, come on. Let me put that out. It has a jingle bell in it. That doesn't jingle anymore. It has 4 marbles, tons of green beads, tons of pink beads. Super stretchy. Super clear. Guys, this is my Christmas tree slime. Okay, guys. So this is my frozen slime. Now, this one was also currently made. Was not in our Christmas haul, but this is a winter slime. Like I said, this one was not in our Christmas haul, so we didn't consider it as a Christmas slime. But also, we didn't have it at the time. So let me get that. Look how pretty that is, guys. It's like super shiny. It's so pretty. Super pretty. I mean, super. I'm trying to get the rest out of the bottom of the container. There we go. So, this slime. Super shiny. And I mean, super. Like, look at that. That's nice. It's so pretty, guys. It's super pretty. Super pretty. Sorry, guys, for this, but this slime is obviously sticky. And it's hard to not get added to this. Okay, guys, this is my frozen slime. Okay guys, so this is my Gold Digger slime. Can you guess why? This slime is a pretty clear slime with gold glitter glue in it. Look how stretchy it is. Super stretchy. Super glossy. Can you hear that? Super poppy. That slime is super clicky. Guys, this is Gold Digger slime. Oh gosh. Okay guys, so this is Galaxy slime. It is so pretty. It's purple. It has bunches of gold glitters. Now, if you guys are wondering if I made this with glitter, like how did I get it this color purple? How did I get the glitter in it? Like there's some like holographic glitters in there. Some, like you can see, sometimes shining. We have some iridescent glitters. We have super pretty glitters in here. But my secret to this one is glitter glue. I made a purple glitter glue one, which was most of this one. And I made a little bit of a blue one. And I mixed them together and they made this darker purple. Super pretty. This slime is super easy to press as well, because this one is not sticky. It's pretty firm, to be truly honest with you. Super nice to press. And I will give you an example of that right now. Okay guys, so I have my slime presser here, so let's see how this slime presses. Not like that. So, let's just kind of spread it out for a second. Now, let's kind of get it in there. There we go. Look how nice that looks. Ready, set. That sound though, guys. That sound. Like I said, this glitter glue slime is the perfect, and I mean perfect slime for slime pressing. Oh, and comment down below if you guys want us to start doing more, or if you guys want us to start doing slime pressing videos, or if you guys want us to post more often. That was me showing you how glitter glue slime can press. Now let's move on to the other slimes. Okay guys, so this is my birthday batter slime. It is a nice, white, fluffy, thick slime. It has glitter in it, as you can tell. Super pretty. Super fluffy, like I said. Ready? Look, watch. Watch when I squeeze it. It jiggles. Wait, that didn't do it. It has nice clicks. You guys hear that, right? Let's try making a slime bubble. Whoa! It's so big! It just covered my phone. That's nice. Sorry, guys. It just covered my phone. Okay. I'll clean it off later. Because I don't know if there's some inside of the case, so I'll have to take that off. Yeah, guys, that made a huge slime bubble. Okay. Wasn't expecting that. But, anyways, this is birthday batter slime. Okay, guys, so this is blue raspberry bubblegum slime. This is in the same collection. Was made the same exact way as my pink bubblegum slime in our previous video, part 1. Super fluffy. Like, it's nice. This one's more fluffy and airy than a silly putty like my other one is. More stretchy. And like I said, super fluffy, super airy. It has blue glitter glue, so you can see that shine. And is made from white glue. It is not as pigmented as my pink one is, but it is still semi-pigmented, like blue raspberry bubblegum slime. Okay guys, so this is our last slime for this video for the day. This is cotton candy slime. This is my most recent slime. Sorry, I have it on the lid. It is super nice baby blue. A light robin's egg blue would be the easiest way to actually describe it. Super fluffy. This is called blue cotton candy, if I didn't already mention that. Super fluffy, super airy. It's my biggest slime so far that I have right this second. Look how big that is. It takes up my whole hand, and it's even dripping. Guys, if you guys like cotton candy, you might want to make this slime. This is my blue cotton candy slime. Hey guys, we're the Slimatory Sisters, and thank you guys for watching. Please click that like and subscribe button down below. Don't be afraid to leave a comment. And these are all of the slimes that you have seen in part 1 and part 2. Be sure to click like and subscribe 100 million times, as much as you can. Leave so many comments that we can't even read. And don't be afraid to say hi. Bye, guys.